going to discuss understanding the information security structure. So we have an information security and we have some base on which the entire information security is built, and that is the goals. We have three main goals in information security, that is confidentiality. We want information to be confidential and it is only available to legitimate user. That is our goal. We have an integrity, that is the system or the information is only modified by the legitimate user, and that is our goal, integrity. Information is in system needs to be available to the legitimate user as and when required. It's an availability goal. To target these three goals, the malware writers, the hackers and the crackers attacks the system. And this attack are basically divided into two, that is passive and active. In passive attack, we have two major attacks, which is called release of message. That is, the message is taken by someone into the system, tapped into the system, and he takes the message and he releases it. So confidentiality is compromised. And second is, in the network, the attackers and the hackers monitor your traffic, and that is again attack on confidentiality. So these two attacks are basically attack on confidentiality. In active attack, we have masquerade attack, that is pretend to be someone of the user, replay old message, modifying the message. So these three initial are targeting the integrity of the system or the message, and denial of service is attack targeting availability goal. To prevent this attack and to achieve the confident goals, we have mechanisms, and one of that is encryption. Data integrity, that is actually a hashing mechanism to ensure that the data has not been changed. Digital signature, that is also used for authentication purpose, whether the particular message is from the user and the message has not been changed. In digital signature, again, hashing is used as well as the encryption mechanism is used. Notarization, these are the authorities on net which gives certificates to the people so that we have an assurance that no one is generating a fake certificates. Traffic padding and routing control are basically two mechanisms to handle the confidentiality goal by adding extra traffic into the message transfer and changing the routers across the network so that someone cannot tap into the system. And to achieve these mechanisms, we have services. The service is authentication service, which authorize the users. Access controls, that is the giving specific rights to the specific users only. Data confidentiality, it's again a sort of an encryption technique. Data integrity and hashing technique to achieve data integrity. Non-repudiation, that is a denial of receiving or denial of sending, is achieved using non-repudiation service. We'll see the detail of each in gradual forthcoming sessions. Cryptography is one of the important pillars of information security, that is an encryption, and it has two broad categories, symmetric cipher and asymmetric cipher. The symmetric cipher uses only one key at a time for sending as well as for receiving, that is for encryption and decryption. In symmetric cipher, there are traditional cipher which were used hundreds of years back, that is traditional ciphers. In traditional cipher, we have mathematics that involves modular arithmetic. The algorithms of traditional ciphers are broadly divided into two categories, that is substitution ciphers and permutation cipher, that is changing the characters and changing the position of the character is permutations. In modern cipher, again, we have mathematics involved, and that is basically an algebraic structures. In algebraic structures, we are going to discuss ring, groups, ring, and fields, and specifically we are interested in Galois field. The algorithms are again broadly divided into two categories, that is physical and non-physical structure. And the modern block ciphers has a mode involved in it. That is how the modern ciphers will work, and that is called modes of modern ciphers. And the second type of encryption is asymmetric encryption. We are going to discuss each of these gradually. Please, as this course is gradually updating course, please have some patience, and I'll be uploading every week some of the content of the course. The course involves other aspects of information security also, that is hashing, backcode, and other things also, but this is a partially structure of information security. Hope you enjoy it.